In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock sender in Gmail. If you've blocked someone in Gmail and their messages are getting sent straight to spam, unblocking them is quick and easy. This is helpful if you accidentally blocked a trusted contact or if a sender you want to hear from was filtered out by mistake. Once you finish, their messages will land in your inbox again instead of being treated as spam. Start by opening Gmail. You can do this in a web browser or in the Gmail app. If you're not already signed in, sign into the account where you blocked the sender. Next, go to your spam folder. On a computer, look at the labels on the left side. If you don't immediately see spam, click More to expand the list. On a phone or tablet, open the menu and look for spam in the list of labels. Inside spam, find a message from the sender you want to unblock and open it. Opening the actual email is important because the unblocking option appears within that message's menu. With the message open, look for the three dots menu. On desktop, it's usually at the top right of the message near the reply button. On mobile, the three dots appear in the top corner of the screen when the email is open. Click the three dots, then choose Unblock Sender Name. Gmail will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to reverse the block. Confirm by selecting Unblock. That's it. From now on, emails from that sender will go to your inbox rather than being filtered to spam, so you won't miss future messages. If you're having trouble finding the spam label, try typing in spam in the Gmail search bar, then add the sender's email address or name to narrow it down. Make sure you recognize the sender before unblocking, especially if you originally blocked them due to unwanted or suspicious messages. You can always reblock later if needed. To recap, open Gmail, head to spam, open the message from the sender, click the three dots, select unblock, and confirm. You're done, and their emails will show up in your inbox again. This simple change helps ensure important conversations don't get lost behind filters. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, go ahead and apply it right now so you can get your messages flowing back where they belong.